Hey everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am back with a new $2 Tuesday collection. I know it's been a hot minute since we've released some new $2 Tuesday foils, but this week we do have some new ones. As you can see, the theme of this week is Halloween. We are finally getting into some fall foils, which is really exciting. And so this week, I know our $2 Tuesdays have been a little bit behind, but we've just been so busy with our e-course, our podcast, which is season 2 is coming back next week on Tuesday, the day after Labor Day, our advent calendar as well. We just have been designing up a storm, so $2 Tuesday has definitely taken a back seat, but it is back. Since this is so late, we're going to be doing a sale for this week's $2 Tuesday. We're going to be doing buy one get one 50% off, which we've never offered that before, so not sure if it's going to be too crazy or what. But we did want to do a little promo on these just because they are so late. Before I jump into these foils, if you're not already, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our uploads. And give this video a thumbs up if you are excited for the fall season. So as you can see, we have 4 foil colors for this collection. We have our classic gold foil. We also have this collection available in silver hollow, which is really pretty, and I think hollow always ends up being the most popular for Halloween. And then we have 2 fun foils this time around. We have purple, which this purple is different from last year's purple. I think last year we just did a solid purple color, and this time around it has a little bit more reflection to it. A little bit hard to see on camera, but it's very pretty in person. And then we also have this brand new orange foil color. Again, it's kind of has like the glass effect on it, and I think the orange and the purple would look really good together. So for this swatch flip through video, I am just going to be flipping through the collection in the purple foil. I don't know what we decided to call this because it's definitely not just your basic purple color. Okay, I'm going to be doing the flip through first and then the swatches at the end of the video. So first up we have Ghost Cat, which this is so cute. It's like a little black cat wearing a ghost costume. This one's so cute. It's holding a little jack-o'-lantern pumpkin. So cute. Next, we have some ghost date dots. These are really cute. They have little sparkles and bats around the ghost. Super cute. And then we also have this web date dots. If you're more into the spider webs, we have this one. And then next, we have some Halloween confetti. So I pretty much just took like skulls, candy corn, bats, more candy, spiders. Did I already say skulls? Just all the spooky things and put them together into some cute little confetti stickers. These are very tiny, so I highly recommend getting some tweezers like this so that it just makes picking them up easier. Then we have some mini Halloween deco, and it just has everything that was on this sheet, but just individually. Again, these are also pretty small. I don't think my fingers could pick these up and place them down properly. Next, we have this bat colony, and they are just like these tall stickers. And then going along with some more bats, we have these fancy bats. I believe we did this design last year and they were a hit, so brought them back again. I love the lace wings. I think it's really pretty, and there's like little charms dangling off it. So cute. Then we have this Halloween garland set, and I decided to take all the different garlands that we have and just consolidate them into one little sampler sheet. So as you can see, we have some of the layered garlands here at the bottom, some different ones up here, And then we also have these little itty bitty mini garlands that you can use on the square boxes. So that is our new garland sheet. And then next we have some Halloween doodle dividers. I didn't want to do individual sheets for each one, so I decided to just make it into a little sampler sheet. But all of them are so adorable. I think my favorite might be this one with the bats and the moon, but honestly they're all pretty cute. Next up we have a different type of garland. These are the spider web garlands, and just have the webs up here and then the spiders hanging down from them. I'm not a huge fan of spiders. They actually terrify me, and if I see one I'm exiting the room, but I think these are pretty cute. They're small and not too lifelike. Next we have some Halloween dividers. These are just like the little dotted dividers, but they also have little candies and skulls and spiders and bats. Again, all the Halloween items. Then we have some jack-o'-lanterns, and the sheet is pretty fun. There's all different faces on these pumpkins. Cute. I think my favorite is this one with the tongue out. Then we have these haunted houses, and these are the 1.5 inch width, so it'll fit across your full box or your column. So that is what the haunted houses look like. And I love how there's like a little witch flying in the air. Next we have some Halloween confetti headers. Again, same thing with the other ones. These are just in the header format. Next we have a couple of web deco. So this one is just your typical web deco. And then we also have these web corners and halves. And then the last small sheet that we have is this Halloween branches. So just a variety of stickers. Again, these are all perfect to fit in the column. And then we have a few larger sheets. This one was the Halloween deco that I showed at the beginning. Has basically everything you would need to make a Halloween spread. And then we have some full boxes as well as some Halloween quotes. These would be really cute together. That is all 20 designs that we have for our Halloween collection, not included in the entire listing bundle. So the entire listing bundle will include just all 20 of these designs, but we also are adding new colors to our $2 date dots, which is always available for $2 on our website. So we'll be adding the purple color and the orange color to that if you're interested in getting some plain date dots. But other than that, let's go ahead and get into the swatches.